Did you know that there are people making hundreds of thousands of dollars and even millions off of TikTok? Yeah, it's kind of crazy. Let's cue that intro and get this video started. And while the intro is playing, make sure to comment your username below in the comments. Hey guys, I'm Rachel Pedersen, or on TikTok, I am at the Mrs. Pedersen. I currently have over 250,000 followers, and every month I get between 10 and 20 million views on my TikTok videos, which isn't too bad considering I'm a mom of 3, I'm over 30. It's actually pretty exciting. Now I want to know what your username is, so make sure that you comment it below in the comments beneath this video. Now, one of the crazy things is that people are starting to make thousands, hundreds of thousands, and even millions of dollars from TikTok. And it's actually no real surprise, because if you look at the history of not just TikTok, but of other social media platforms, there's a pattern that historically happens. First, it happened on MySpace. Now it's happening on Facebook and YouTube and Instagram, and it's just starting to happen on TikTok. Basically, we're gonna dive into strategies for both influencers and for business owners in this video, but let's take a look at the history of social media platforms. So whenever a social media platform first starts to make a big surge of growth, there is a whole bunch of organic juice behind every single video. So instead of having to pay for reach and having to struggle or fight to get eyeballs on your videos, there's this massive, just instant good favor that happens from the platform. The same thing was true on MySpace. The same thing was very, very true on Facebook and Instagram over the last few years. And now we're starting to see that on YouTube and TikTok as well. Now what happens is, over time, the social media platform begins to get a little bit frustrated that they're being cut out of brand deals. And so they start to restrict the overall reach of big platforms. They do that intentionally once a platform is starting to have a whole bunch of external deals for sponsorship. That's when the platform starts to really pull back. But right now we are still in that beautiful phase where you can build a massive following of millions of followers that ultimately generates thousands or hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars on TikTok in revenue. Now, if you're a business owner, you can use TikTok for massive lead generation. In fact, just the other day, I did a TikTok video, which, by the way, if you don't yet follow me on TikTok, check out my handle right here at the Mrs. Pedersen, so you can go check out some of these videos. I did a video calling people to action to lead them to a webinar, a free training that I'm hosting, and we generated nearly 900 leads for that training instantly, effortlessly, for free from one TikTok video. This one goes out to anyone who is currently working from home or running their business from home. If that's you, keep watching. Hey guys, I'm Rachel Pedersen. I have worked successfully from home for just about 5 years now. So I compiled all of my best tips, tricks, tools, and the software that I use every single day that is free, cheap, low cost, and effective for ultimately running our business completely remotely. And I know that that's needed right now. If this is something that you need, comment, tell me more below. I'm super excited because I put together an entire guide of everything that you can use to save money, keep your job going, and ultimately deliver excellent work, whether you're working for your job from home or running a business from home. If that sounds like something you need, comment me below. You can access it all by going to my profile, clicking the little button that looks like a video, and subscribing to my YouTube. TikTok is a place where you can use massive lead generation strategies to ultimately get people into the front of your funnel. And the cool part is, because it's unlimited, untapped, viral potential with every single video you put out there, who knows, you could end up with 10 leads, 100 leads, or even tens of thousands of leads. You can also use TikTok to hire influencers to promote your product. Now, there's several different ways to go about this. We'll talk a little more about the TikTok marketplace for sponsorships and paid promotion in just a bit, but basically you can find influencers that you want to work with either through that marketplace, or you can contact them on Instagram. Every single TikTok profile has the ability to link Instagram to it, and if an an influencer has an Instagram, you better believe that they've linked to Instagram on their profile. So go to their Instagram, send them a message directly and say how much for a series of 3 videos, like what do you charge per post? That's a great way to go about the process. Now, you also can use TikTok as a front-end traffic driver to bring people to your YouTube channel. In fact, I'm willing to bet that a whole bunch of you guys watching this right now found me on TikTok. If that's true, comment, yes, I found you on TikTok, so other people can see TikTok to YouTube is a very powerful strategy. Now, by the way, if you are enjoying this video, and we're gonna go even deeper in just a moment here, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss all the trainings I put out on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and social media strategies, as well as business building techniques. Now, you can bring your TikTok followers to your YouTube, which I have done time and time again, and it's been a huge way to jumpstart the progress on my YouTube channel. I've had a YouTube now for 5.5 years, and what is crazy is that it isn't until the last few months that I've started seeing real growth on my YouTube, and that's in large part due to me using TikTok to ultimately bring my audience to my YouTube to get that massive boost of engagement in the very beginning. Now, if you're an influencer, there is a TikTok marketplace, which is invitation only, and TikTok will invite you in their TikTok notifications if you have a large enough following, or they feel like you may be a really great representative for certain products. Now, what's cool about that is I've actually done sponsored posts through the TikTok marketplace, and you can make thousands of dollars and even sometimes more. For example, like Charli D'Amelio, she makes a reported $100,000 per post on TikTok. So it's really easy to see how you could quickly rack that up, making thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, or even millions of dollars on TikTok. But the other cool thing is you can get paid with brand deals outside of the TikTok marketplace. And a great way to do that is by creating a media kit. A media kit is basically something that shows people, here are my stats, here's who I serve, here's where I'm influential, and allows brands to decide if they want to work with you. Now, how do you get people to your media kit? Easy. Make sure that it is easily linked to on every single platform, whether it's in an Instagram highlight story or maybe on your website. Make your media kit readily accessible so brands can quickly decide if they want to work with you. Now, I put together an awesome resource for you guys. You can check it out beneath this video in the bio. It is a TikTok starter pack that can support you with your journey on TikTok. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know below what you found most helpful in this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. There is a TikTok marketplace, which is application only. I get 10 to million, oops,